Why'd you have to go? Why'd you have to leave me when I needed you the most? Cause I don't really know how to tell you without feeling much worse.
Rest in peace, Daddy. I love you.
Oh, we never, man. I put father, man, you know. Mother did from me and live in here. Get them here and say, mother, father, time, it's still, man, and why just sad.
Okay, Joe is a legend in Brampton, because Brampton is the town of Old Britain. Growing up as a little girl, you know, you used to have the shop, you used to have Daphne with the restaurant. You know, it's a lot of memories. I remember a time I went in the shop and people come after me, but because they were calling for serve, and me have the paper, Joe sell them. Me have to cuss and say, Joe, me there before them. And said, but me know you want serve, but you know, that's Joe. He's a people person, and you know, his baby mother died and he got the kids and his own, and that's very good. You know,
when I was 12 years old, just come Britain, fresh in Britain, I'm almost 40 now. Remember when we used to come to Old Town, come buy food from Joe restaurant. That is one of my fondest memories. And the big, strong, dark, full-eye man. When you come in him shop, him say, hello, what you want? As I say that shit, hello, what you want? Rest easy, Papa Joe. No love.
I remember all the treats Mr. Joe used to keep for us. And him save the best present them for me, because I go wine, and I go and bad, and I go win everything. Yeah, remember. The food, the $30 food I bought back in
the paper bag, the brown bag.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, food is nice. $30.
The blanket.
Yeah.
Apple the day at time, though?
Apple at the part. She used to eat it when class party.
Me used to eat it.
40 and 50 bags of food that come over for one class.
Yeah.
Claudine Cameron, I'm here. And I'm talking about my Uncle Joe, and that's a nice uncle of mine. And when I was a small child, living in the Walton Park Road era, Auntie Shirley said, he usually brings stuff and goodies for me, you know. I only get that. None of the other guys them get that. Ooh, that's my Uncle Joe. Woo! Yeah. All
Joe was a good man, very, very good man. All you can tell us that the good people them, always a tell out, and the bad people them. That is a but anyway, so we have to sympathize with each other. And in the long gone, so may his soul rest in peace. After a dancer, play the music of your uncle there.
Yeah, she just dance.
Just okay. Uncle Joe was just okay. And I always call him Uncle Joe. Family man, yeah, my Uncle Joe was always Uncle Joe. We was a family man, a community man, you know, let's call him. Was an entrepreneur. And as I said, we always call Uncle Joe. And that's why you see the support of the outpouring of love from last night until now, right here in Boston. Uncle Joe was just okay. Alright, please, alright, please, for the cousin. Alright.
What a nice person.
Yeah.
That's why I'm like us. And I'm always looking out for you that we are a knitted family. And this is coming from Carmen.
Family oriented. Love laugh. Never seen him vexed yet. Remember the days when he used to work on the bus and work on Charlie Manor? Those days I remember so well. And in restaurant where everybody are flocking. But Joe was just a good person. Very good person. And that's what I'm going to say.
R.I.P. Uncle Joe, sleep in peace.
I like to put the usual on the corners and things. When it was the night time, I receive them and return things and run the and we keep ourselves from the peaceful corner. And we are around and things. Now it is all ended, but seems that we are here to bring it on and keep it peaceful.
Yeah man, I'm me name Daddy. And you see Joe now, I'm an elder cousin and them man are real man. When I play football, I'm a first football manager and take care of it inside, outside. The man they clean. Hope him soul rest in peace. Bless him.
Well, you see, OK Joe now, I'm from a little boy in Bragtown. I see my mother start OK Joe restaurant. Used to cook for OK Joe. And you see, he's a boy in bad. And you see, no kill me bad Joe, no bun no Joe to start to me. Football, anything, Joe did it. Original Joe from Bragtown, Curban, Jasper, your speech.
Yeah, them man now, Joe, when them man cook the first pot, when them start them business in the yard, around 6 a week, buy out of the pot. When we spend scheme just start here, I say things grow, and it reaches them now, Bragtown.
Mellow, yeah. You're done, stop my brother.
And trust me, yes, every Christmas, no matter what, certain are so close by. Because me and the fellow,
Yeah man, King Kerbal. Most people call him OK Joe, but a King Kerbal. The man that foundation. Yeah man, the man that set the trend. You see Joe is a determined brother. Remember one time Joe grew up down. And Joe said, why that give me not give up. Let me say man, you know where Joe go do? Go wash post. Over face over sparrow. And we said Joe come back and build up in thing. Say Kirby. Kirby said that you watch look man, 7 time ride and 70 time. 70 time fall, 70 time fall and 70 time ride. Yeah man. So don't give up Daggy.
Rest in peace, Grandpa. Rest in peace, Grandpa. I love you.
Curban and Dan, he was the dance theater, hero man. I respect to him. Pastor, yes. Yeah, look at yourself.
You are the Dan, you know.
Oh, brother.
Long time conductor.
Yeah.
Bag juice, food, anything, my bag.
Sure.
Look from Bright Dragon Slow from him. I'm pleasure. Okay, Joe. Say go, sir.
OK Joe are the greatest man we buck up with. His fitness and him still love all of them. I never quarrel and OK Joe I boss. And he love all of them. Big up. OK Joe, you're there, sir.
OK Joe was my boss. I mean, not tell a lie. Okay, Joy, the best. My boss, that.
Everything when we go through, just me. Because I'm the closest one team now. And me and the run shop. From way back in the 80s, come back to them times. Yeah, man. And me and him just grow good. We never have nothing yet. Yeah, man. I'm good brother, man. Me and him never have nothing yet, man. Take care of all them and him picking them. So, yeah. And nothing we do for